this free tool created by Microsoft. Now go to the Bing Video Generating tool. Search Bing Video Generator. Now click this. Firstly, you need to sign in. So click this sign in button. To use this tool, you need to have a Microsoft account. If you already have a Microsoft account, provide the associated email address here. If you don't have a Microsoft account, don't worry about it. I will explain how to create Microsoft account for you. Now I am going to create Microsoft account. Click this create an account. Now provide your email address. Click next. You need to verify your email address. Then see security code in your email. Paste it here. Now fill these details. Now give your first name, click this, press this. Again search in video generator and click this, and now you can click sign in button. Then you can sign in your newly created Microsoft account. Now I am going to create video. Now you can see this tool is generating video. This is generated video. Today I have meeting at 9:30 p.m.